Hello everyone, and welcome to your orientation course for Schoology. Let's get started by first learning how to add a course to our Schoology account. And we can do that by clicking the Courses option at our top toolbar. When we see the drop-down, we can press Join. And then in the pop-out bubble, we're asked for an access code. You can find this access code printed on your student timetable or on the larger schedules around campus. So please make sure you enter your access code from your student timetable and press the Join button. You will need to do this for each of your courses each semester. On the right-hand side of our screen, we can see a section that says Upcoming, which will show us a list of the activities and assignments we need to complete, and it will show us the day that those assignments are due. If we click on the calendar, we'll get a monthly view, and Schoology will populate all of the information from your courses into this calendar so you can see all of the activities that need to be done and make sure that you're getting them done on time. On the left-hand side, I want to look at this update section just to check to see if there's anything that our teachers have left for us to know. And we can see here that there is an introduction message that I've posted for you, so please check it out, leave me a comment or a like. Back in our main screen, in the center, we'll be able to see a bunch of different colored folders. Each of these folders is a unit that we need to complete. So let's start with the first one. And we can see that there are a number of items in this unit that we need to complete before moving on. One is a video, which is this video actually. One is an assignment, and one is a page of information. So we're not going to go to the video because that's what you're watching now. We're going to go to the Submit Assignment. And we can see here that the due date for this assignment is clearly given at the top of the page, and then instructions follow. So we need to create an assignment and submit it. This means that if we leave just a comment that the rest of our classmates can see, it is not considered properly submitting the assignment. In order to finish this step and in order to make sure your teacher gets your submitted assignment, we need to click this button off to the right. Our instruction was to create an assignment, so we would type our answer here, and when we're finished, we can either press Submit or Save Draft if we need to come back and work on our answer before it's perfect. As soon as I press the Submit button, the homework is complete and has been sent to your teacher. If we click here, we go back to our unit page. That's the assignment option. And our last step is how to get help with Schoology. Don't worry if you do have problems using Schoology. We're all learning how together, and the important part is that you know where to go if you're having problems. So the first item that I've shown you here, if you're having help, is the student support page for Schoology. So feel free to look over this information anytime you might have forgotten how to do something or you're running into problems. The answer could be in these resources here. If you're on campus, another option for you is to visit Dandy in Student Services. She's very good with Schoology and is more than happy to help you out. If you think it's actually a technical problem or a network problem and you're also on campus, feel free to stop by the IT department and see if Tom is available to check your technology or our technology. As always, a really good option is to email your instructor. So we have a point here that says to try it out for ourselves. And if we want to email our instructor or send our instructor a message, we're going to click the envelope at the top of the page and then the option for New Message. We just need to type in the name of the teacher we'd like to send a message to. There it is right there. Type in the body of our message, and when we press send, that message will go to our teacher, and that's always another option if you're having issues using Schoology. I'm going to go back to our main orientation course page now to show you one last thing, which is this button called Student Progress. If we click on it, we can see that we have now completed everything we needed for this first introduction unit. So this is always a good way to track yourself to ensure that you've completed all the steps that your teacher has left for you so that you don't miss anything that you need to do. That's everything that I'm going to go through with you today. Thank you very much for your attention. And again, if you have problems at any time using Schoology, please let us know. Please let us know how we can help. I look forward to talking to you again soon. Thanks very much.